Finding the right health insurance can feel overwhelming, but CareFirst Health Insurance promises comprehensive coverage and easy access to care. I tested it firsthand, and here's what you need to know. CareFirst offers individual, family, and group plans with a network of providers across multiple states. Most people get this wrong. They assume all plans cover everything, but coverage depends on your chosen plan and network. I chose a mid-tier individual plan for this review. Signing up was straightforward, and the online portal is easy to navigate. You can check coverage, pay premiums, and search for providers in seconds. I visited both primary care doctors and specialists, and the claims process was smooth. Most claims were processed automatically through the network, with minimal paperwork. One standout feature is telehealth. CareFirst offers virtual visits for routine consultations, which is convenient and often cheaper than in-person visits. Emergency coverage and preventive care are included, and they provide resources for managing chronic conditions. Customer service was helpful over the phone when I had questions about referrals. The downside is out-of-network coverage. It's limited and can be expensive, so it's crucial to check if your preferred doctors are in-network. Premiums are competitive, but vary based on age, location, and plan type. In conclusion, CareFirst Health Insurance is a reliable option if you want strong network coverage, easy claims processing, and digital tools for managing your health. Always check plan details carefully to ensure it meets your needs. Subscribe for more health insurance reviews, tips for choosing coverage, and advice to help you save money while staying protected.